How long do soft tissue fillers last? Soft tissue fillers can last from 3 months to 2 years, depending on where it is used and what filler is used. Places that move a lot, like your lips, don't last as long. And this is also affected by your metabolism. If you burn out fat quickly or you work out a lot, chances are you'll burn through the filler more quickly. When we lose hyaluronic acid in our skin, we notice a lack of plumpness and radiance. Through the use of hyaluronic acid fillers such as Restylane, Juvederm, Voluma, and Belotero, we can replace this plumpness, fill in hollows, and provide a more youthful contour. These types of fillers are very popular because they're temporary and reversible. Radiesse, on the other hand, is a great soft tissue filler that provides temporary plumping and contouring, but is not reversible. And the last one is Sculptra. This filler does not give an immediate result, but it stimulates collagen and builds over time, and this lasts the longest, around 2 years. Let's examine which areas of the face fillers last the longest and which filler is the best for each area. Lips. Soft tissue fillers in the lips can last anywhere from 3 to 6 months. The best fillers for this area are Restylane Silk, Juvederm Volbella, Juvederm Ultra, and Restylane. Restylane Silk provides more subtle volume, addresses these fine lip lines that are around the lips, while Volbella can do the lip lines but adds a bit more volume to the lips. Ultra provides the most volume and give that juicy, pouty look that many patients crave. I also discuss all the options with my patients, learning about your anatomy, personality, and look to determine the best filler for your lips. It's one of my favorite procedures because I can sculpt the lips to provide many different desired looks. The nose. The nose is tricky. Soft tissue fillers in the nose tend to last the longest because we don't move our nose. This can be up to 2 years, but you want someone who is experienced in injecting in the nose. The liquid nose job or non-surgical rhinoplasty has become a popular alternative to surgical rhinoplasty due to the fact that it's immediate and you don't have downtime. Using hyaluronic acid fillers, I can give the nose appearance of being straighter, more even somewhat shorter, and the tip a bit lifted. Juvederm and Restylane are some of the best fillers to use as they are easy to mold, create aesthetically pleasing contours. It can hide bumps on the bridge and asymmetries elsewhere on the nose. Often add some Botox in the bunny lines, these little lines right here and under the tip to give the nose a lift. Some people worry that adding filler will make the nose appear larger, but I use micro amounts to camouflage areas and bring the nose into harmony with the rest of the face. Chin. Soft tissue fillers for the chin can last up to 2 years. Always go for a thicker filler that is soft enough to mold when it comes to this area. For that reason, my favorite filler is Voluma or Restylane Lift. It lasts the longest and moves well with the face. Radiesse is sometimes used due to its thicker viscosity, but this filler is not reversible, making it a little more risky if the patient doesn't like the look or you can feel a little bump. Using soft tissues in the chin is a non-surgical alternative to chin augmentation using implants and can balance the face by bringing the tip of the nose and the chin into harmony. How often do I have to get soft tissue fillers? Most patients return for more soft tissue filler between 6 months and a year, depending on the filler that's used and where you're injecting. This could be less, it could be more. Some patients like to come in more often and use smaller amounts. That way you always kind of maintain what you have and people can't notice that anything is ever different. Other people wait till the filler is completely gone and then they like to refill what they had. Just the simple injection of the area stimulates collagen, so most of the time we'll use less and less filler. While I can give you a time that's best for you to return, ultimately that's up to you. I have patients that are all over the spectrum as far as how often they want to come back. Do I need a plastic surgeon near me? If you're in the Houston area and are interested in soft tissue fillers, email or give us a call. The best results are always achieved when you have the procedure done by a board-certified facial plastic surgeon. I've had patients fly in from all over the country to have me perform their cosmetic procedures. Please reach out to me by contacting my office to learn how I can help you. Have questions? I'd sincerely love to hear from you. Call or email anytime. Thanks for watching.